Hello again, welcome back to my channel. Today I went to a supermarket today and I found this on sale. This Argentina red shrimp wild caught. So 2 pound, pretty cheap, 2 pound, 15 bucks. So this is pretty cheap and pretty big jumbo shrimps. It's already had the head cut off already. It's easy, you know, ready to go. So today I'm gonna do a very simple, delicious recipe with the Argentina red shrimps. And well, I'm not gonna do anything fancy. Just steam this. I'm gonna just steam this, and then I'm gonna make a Cambodian sauce to go with it. So that's it. Steam it and with the Cambodian sauce, and just dip the shrimp in it and eat it and see how it tastes. So let's cook the shrimp first. So I got a steamer right here. I just want to steam the shrimp about 15 minutes or so. So that's all I want. And just put in the steamer. There's a beautiful shrimp, big one, giant shrimp. So it's $15 for 2 pounds. That's not too bad. I'll steam about 15 minutes. Now, while we're waiting for the shrimp to get cooked, now let's make the shrimp sauce, Cambodian style shrimp sauce. So I have like right here fish sauce. Sugar. Have some lemon here. Normally we would use lime with this sauce, but since I only have half a lime right here, I'm gonna use a lemon also. So use lemon or lime, and a little bit of MSG. It's optional. If you don't want to, it's okay, but it's optional. MSG and garlics. So garlic's very important. Put as much garlic as you want, and we want to be a little bit spicy. So just put 4 or 5 of this Thai chili, really spicy. So let's get all in. Let's make the sauce. All right, you need a mortar and pestle. So this is a plastic one. Normally, but better if you have like the stone one. So, but this will do the job, the plastic one, mortar and pestle. Just garlics. And also need a little bit of salt. So, 1 clove. Fry. I put 6 cloves of garlic in there. Let's see. I'm gonna put 6. Let's try 5 chili pepper in there. Thai chili pepper. Clean a little bit. Just a tiny bit, not too much. Just for flavor. Tiny bit of MSG. It's optional. You don't have to. Just a little bit of salt. Not too much, just a tiny bit of salt. Put quite a bit of sugar in there. Let's see. So about 1, 2, 3. About 4 teaspoons of sugar. Right there. So we got 6 cloves of garlic, 5 Thai chili pepper, a pinch of salt, a pinch of MSG, and about 4 teaspoons of sugar. So just pound it. Pound it really good into a paste. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and squeeze some lime in there. I got half a lime right here. Usually you can use lime or lemon, but so I got half a lime and I got some lemon here. Just squeeze half a lime in first. Now just pour in some water. Just a bit of water, not too much, about alright, that's what we want. Yep, the sauce is ready. So all we need is just half a lime basically. The shrimp is already cooked, and let's plate it up. Alright, this is the final product. Wild caught Argentina red shrimp, and this is a very jumbo shrimp right here. It's a simple recipe. Just steam up the shrimp, and here's the sauce, the Cambodian sauce. Basically, just like garlic, Thai chili pepper, a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, and fish sauce, and then just pound it together. That's it. And thank you for watching, and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.